Hi, it's me, Shane, again from Dekiru English Academy with another slideshow, boom, 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 for you. Today, we're going to talk about numbers. Very easy lesson, right? What's this? 6. Told you it's easy. What about this? We say 6.5. This is a point, 6.5. But when we're counting things, let's count, and I'll show you how this works. Ooh, that looks good. Yummy. How many pies are there? 2, right? There are 2 pies. How many pies are there? I think someone ate that. There are 2.5 pies? We don't say that. We don't say 0.5 when we're counting things like that. What do we say? Well, this is half, right? You know half. How many pies are there? There is half of a pie. There is 0.5 pie, we don't say. There is half of a pie. There is a half of a pie. Okay, a half. Or even, there is a half of pie. It's very good. I like pie. How many pies are there? What do we say? There are 2.5 pies. 2 plus half. 2.5 pies. So, 2.5, 6.5. 1,736.5. 2 half, 6 half, 1,736 half. No, we don't say that. You have to say 2.5, 6.5, 1,736.5. Okay, so you know this is half. Let's review. How many pies are there? There is half a pie. How many pies are there? There is 1.5 pies. How many pies are there? There are 2.5 pies. That looks really good. I want pie now. Okay, so today's lesson, and a half. Okay, very short and easy lesson again. I'm Shane from Dekiru English Academy, and I'll see you next time. Doop-a-doo-boo.